How to add admin on Instagram business account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to add admin on Instagram business account. So for that case, first of all, go ahead and log into your Instagram account and make sure to enable that you already have a professional account. If you don't have, then what you can do is just tap on the tab bar icon and go to account settings, and you could go ahead and select switch account type, and then you could go ahead and switch over to professional account. When you've set up that, you need to exit out of your Instagram and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in www.facebookbusiness.com. So when you type in business.facebook.com, it's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now here you could go ahead and see this sort of interface. So here you could go ahead and press on login with Instagram. As you do that, it's going to ask you to access your Instagram account. And when you've done that, enter in your credential, and when you're logged into your account, then it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and so basically it's going to look something like this. So here on the left hand side bar, you need to go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon. When you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and here go ahead and click on the gear icon. So as you click on the gear icon, it's going to take you to this page, which is going to look something like this. And right on this page, you should be able to find this people icon. You could go ahead and press on it, and when you go ahead and press on the people icon, then you could go ahead and first of all add a contact info. And when you do that, go ahead and enter in the credential of a person that you wish to go ahead and add it as an admin on Instagram page, and just go ahead and follow the instruction and send the request to the following user and enable all sort of permission is all that, and you'll have successfully added admin on Instagram business account. So in this way, you could go ahead and add admin on Instagram business account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.